Yes, today we will be discussing a very important reaction, that is hydroboration oxidation of alkenes. So here I have taken alkenes in general, alkenes, any alkene containing C double bond C, that is olefinic bond, and now this is borane, actually diborane I have written, BH3. So boron, boron, which has the atomic number 5. So it has 2 and 3 electrons. This 2 electrons in the first shell, 3 electrons in the outermost shell. So B you write here, hydrogen, sorry, electron, 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 3 electrons, and hydrogen will share its 1, 1, 1. This is how the diborane is. Are you getting or no? I have just represented it. The actual structure will be BHHH. That is a sp2 hybridized diborane. Sorry, borane, BH3. And BH3 and BH3 molecule come together with the banana bonds. You might have seen banana bonds in, I think, which one? 13th group elements, 11th standard. If you are not seen, please go through it and ask me the question about banana bonds. BH3. BH3 and BH3, that will become diborane. B, H, like this. B, H, again one H, again one H. So there is a, banana bonds, banana. Just generally I am writing this H. This is a diborane. This is diborane. Right? Go through this from 13th group elements मधून हे बघा please. Then please see hydroboration oxidation in hydroboration and then followed by oxidation in presence of tetrahydrofuran as a solvent. Okay? So what will happen, you see? What will happen? So this BH3 is there, na? BH3. So BH3, out of that BH3, this B, bromine, the valency of bromine is 3. So it will have 3 bonds like this with this one, alkyl group. Now we will provide here hydrogen for this. Hydrogen. 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. Total 2. 3 2s are 6 hydrogens are there. 6 hydrogens. So you write here B CH3 CH2, again CH3 CH2. If I am writing H like this, okay. Particular reactions जर मी लिहित असेल तर हे CH3 CH2 CH3 CH2 CH3 CH2. तो बघा how many times? This is 3 times. See, 3 times boron. Okay, simple way to write it is CH3 CH2 thrice B. Yes, it is thrice P. Direct bond नहीं है. Boron चे 3 bonds असे येतात. Are you getting? And then now when OH and OH, hydrogen peroxide, alkaline solution of hydrogen peroxide use करायचं. Alkaline solution of hydrogen peroxide, when you use it, alkaline solution of hydrogen peroxide, whenever you are going to use it, you will get alcohols. ठीक है ना? This alcohol. Now, how you are going to get that alcohol, you see? Here, CH3 CH2, and we are writing here B, again CH3 CH2, boron आहे, big boron, 3 valencies, असा एक CH3 CH2. Now this OH, B will take 3 OH. So B will take 3 OH. and this every CH3 CH2 will take one OH, one OH, one OH, like this. Are you getting? So now I have converted this general reaction into particular reaction, आणि मग तुम्हाला हे असं मिळेल CH3 CH2 OH 3 times है ना. टोटल हे देखील 3 times असं घ्यायचं. But as it is a reagent, we are not bothered about the stoichiometric coefficient. Not bothered about the stoichiometric or stoichiometric coefficients. बरोबर है ना? Yes. Now, suppose if you have taken CH3 CH double bond CH2, common name is propylene and IUPAC name is propene. Common name is propylene, IUPAC name is propene. You take diborane. How is the diborane? BH3. Twice I will take diborane. Right? So actually BH3 twice you take. That is more correct. And then you see that you are adding hydrogen. Hydrogen you are adding. 2 hydrogen, total 3 2s are 6 hydrogen. 1 2 2 hydrogen, ऐसे कितने टोटल 3 आते हैं. 3 2s are 6 hydrogen, है ना. So you will get in presence of THF CH3 CH2 then again CH2, how many times? 3 times boron. वैलेंसी सेटिस्फाई होनी चाहिए ना, ठीक है. तो अभी ये CH3 CH2 अभी देखिए कैसे लिखते हैं. ये ऐसे 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 उसी चीज को एक्सपांड करके लिखा CH3 CH2 CH2 again CH3 CH2 CH2 again CH3 CH2 CH2, है ना. वेरी गुड. देन पेरोक्साइड HOOH, ये पेरोक्साइड HOOH, है ना. इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ अल्कली OH माइनस. तो इस B को 3 OH दे दीजिए आप. ये 3 OH दे दीजिए and this OH will come here, this OH will come here, ऐसे 3. So CH3 CH2 CH2 OH plus BOH thrice. Now if you see the addition of this reaction, if you see how the addition has taken place, if you just observe how addition has taken place, you will see that this OH minus, as such OH minus is added to this CH2. जो OH है ना, this negative part of the reagent gets attached to that carbon atom which contains more number of hydrogen atoms. That is anti-Markovnikov's addition. म्हणजे anti-Markovnikov सारखा प्रोडक्ट मिळतो. हा काय anti-Markovnikov ऍडिशन आहे का? प्युअरली ऍडिशन रिएक्शन आहे का? नाही. ही आहे बोरेशन करून ऑक्सिडेशन केलेलं आहे. प्रोडक्ट कसा मिळतो? जर समजा अल्किनचं हायड्रेशन झालं असतं आणि अँटी मार्कोनिकोव्हचं ऍडिशन झालं असतं तर आपल्याला OH कुठे मिळाला असता? नॉट टू दिस कार्बन ॲटम OH, टू दिस. म्हणून ह्या रिएक्शनचा फायदा काय आहे? ज्यावेळी तुम्ही डायरेक्ट हायड्रेशन करता, HOH गिव्हन इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ ऍसिड डायरेक्ट हायड्रेशन करता, त्यावेळी हा OH मायनस दिस OH विल गेट अटॅच टू that carbon atom which contains less number of hydrogen atom. म्हणजे हा मार्कोनिकोव्स रूल. बरोबर आहे ना. मार्कोनिकोव्ह रूल येईल, ते मार्कोनिकोव्ह रूल येईल कधी, ज्यावेळी डायरेक्ट ऍसिडिक हायड्रेशन असेल. झालेला आहे हा रिएक्शन, तुम्ही बघून घ्या. अल्किनचं हायड्रेशन केला तर अल्कोहोल मिळतो, पण कोणता अल्कोहोल? द ऍडिशन टेक्स प्लेस अकॉर्डिंग टू मार्कोनिकोव्ह. तिथं अँटी मार्कोनिकोव्ह सारखा प्रोडक्ट मिळतो, म्हणून हा अँटी मार्कोनिकोव्ह ऍडिशनचा रिएक्शन आहे का? बिलकुल नाही. का? ऍडिशन म्हणजे सिंगल स्टेप मध्ये व्हायला पाहिजे. तर हे आहे हायड्रोबोरेशन फॉलोड बाय ऑक्सिडेशन. हा हायड्रोबोरेशन आहे आणि हा ऑक्सिडेशन आहे. सर ऑक्सिडेशन का म्हणतात? इथं फक्त तुम्ही ऑक्सिजन इंट्रोड्यूस करणार आहात, ऑक्सिजन. ओके, सो अगेन हिअर हायड्रोबोरेशन ऑक्सिडेशन वी कॉल इट. ठीक आहे. द टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन इज हायड्रोबोरेशन ऑक्सिडेशन ऑफ अल्कीन्स. What is the reaction? Hydroboration oxidation of alkenes. Did you get this? Very very important है ना. मग पुन्हा एकदा सांगतो बघा. प्रोपायलिन किंवा प्रोपीन आहे, कोणताही अल्कीन घेतला, डायबोरेन घेतला, BH3 ट्वाइस डायबोरेन. डायबोरेनचा मी पुन्हा एकदा तुम्हाला what you can say structure we can draw. बघा इथं B काय, B हे बी, इथं बी आणि इथं बी एकाच प्लेन मध्ये, एकाच या प्लेन मध्ये, आणि एक हायड्रोजन वर हायड्रोजन वर खाली, असं बनाना बॉन्ड्स. हे H H H H एकाच प्लेन मध्ये. these are in one plane, these are in one plane, these are in one plane, and here hydrogen is up, another hydrogen is down. Here you see, here you see, here you see, here you see. Very important, very important. So this is diborane, we call it as the diborane. Are you getting this? Very important. All right, so here THF, tetrahydrofuran is there. Tetrahydrofuran, tetrahydrofuran is there. Please see THF. Here, this is, you know, furan, a heterocyclic compound, furan, you know. This is a heterocyclic compound, furan, you know. है ना. If you add here hydrogen, it becomes tetrahydrofuran. What it becomes? Tetrahydrofuran. So you are adding this. From here, hydrogen are getting added. Here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen. Total 1 1. ऐसे 3 लोग आएंगे यहाँ, 3. So 2 hydrogen per molecule, 2 3s are 6. So 6 hydrogen atoms. Now this is followed by adding of the peroxide. Here the peroxide is added. Here the peroxide is added. Are you getting this? Very important. Now, so this peroxide, when you add this, when you are adding this peroxide, that time you can understand this OH will go towards this. Again OH will be added per alkyl group. Did you get this? So this is what hydroboration oxidation, the last reaction in our NCERT series for alkenes. आगे के भी बहुत कन्वर्जन के रिएक्शंस में आपको पढ़ाने वाला हूँ. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शंस हैं, वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शंस. ओके, सो नाउ आई विल आस्क यू अ होमवर्क व्हिच यू हैव टू आंसर. ओके, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट होमवर्क है ना, because this is a very important reaction for the conversion reactions in what your exams, JEE, NEET. Now tell me the difference. You have to write the difference in, okay, direct acidic hydration. Many points should come. Direct acidic hydration, and then another one, hydroboration. What are the products? What is the difference in the product? hydroboration. So if suppose alkene, ethene is there, the product of direct acidic hydration or hydroboration will be the same. It will get ethyl alcohol. Ethene असेल तर ethyl alcohol मिळणार. पण प्रोपीन असेल ना, ह्या संदर्भात मार्कोनिकोव्ह होणार आणि त्या संदर्भात अँटी मार्कोनिकोव्ह सारखं होणार. म्हणजे प्रोडक्ट त्यासारखं दिसणार. ऍक्च्युअली अँटी मार्कोनिकोव्ह ऍडिशन झाले का नाही, तो हायड्रोबोरेशन ऑक्सिडेशनची पद्धत आहे. Reading? Yes. So please differentiate between direct acidic hydration and hydroboration oxidation. Did you get this? Yes. So please do this homework and come. Now just a minute. If you want to, what you can say, identify the products, hydroboration and oxidation products are there. Those will be according to anti-Markovnikov oxidation. And if you go for direct acidic hydration, it would be according to what you can say Markovnikov's. Keep enjoying, keep doing chemistry. Thank you very much. Okay.